Hi guys, in this video I show you how to expand photos or images in Canva. Just upload your photo or find a nice one in the Canva library, put this picture in the middle of this page, and yes, normally you would just make it bigger to fit the page, but we want to make it with AI because otherwise we would lose some quality of this picture, and yes, it would be looking a little bit blurry maybe. Alright, just click on the photo, then on edit. Here in the Magic Studio, you click on the small arrow here, then you can find the Magic Expand feature. Just click here. Now you have the option to make it freeform, which means I can drag here this corner and make it bigger. It will cover all this frame area. Alright, and I can also do it with the whole page. Click here, and then you will see this frame will cover the whole page. And yes, of course, Instagram post format you can also do 1:1. And then it will generate and expand to this frame. Just click on expand and wait a few seconds. You can see it's a pro version feature from Canva, so unfortunately you must pay for Canva Pro. Alright guys, you can see the result is really good in this case. In some cases maybe it's not very good because the structure and this image is not so easy to do it with AI. But if you are not satisfied, and then you can always generate new ones. Alright, you can generate new results if you don't like them. Let's try also with whole page. So click here, expand, and wait a second. And for me, this one, for example, looks quite cool. It's a very big table, a lot of details. And let's see the other ones. Also very nice, I think. Wow, always remember you can generate new results if you don't like them. Alright guys, have fun with this feature and see you next time.